Hey guys, it's me, Podlong, and today I'm showing you how to upgrade your GPU. Right here with me, I have the GTX 960, alright, and there is a little bit of troubles with it. It's a little slow, so I'm gonna do some upgrades and it's gonna be cool, alright? Cool. So the first thing you're going to do is grab your little thing and you're gonna put it up to a fan. So essentially what this does is, first off, it gets all the dust out and you just don't need that pixie dust. And that's pretty much the only thing it does, right? This is cool. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go outside, and well, the thing we're gonna do outside is I'm by the pool, and well, I'm gonna throw it in the pool. Essentially what this does is it cools it off even more. Florida heat is very hard, and I live in Florida, so let me just that should do it. Alright, so obviously you could tell that the GPU is 100 times better than it was before. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial.